What's up with this GoPro? Alright, we're doing a test to see if we want to buy one of these GoPros for ourselves, because we're going to give one away. And we really want to give away no bullshit. Pardon the expression. So if the GoPro can record this bad boy, yeah, she's sweet. She's sweet, but she got some, man, I got some water spots. I need to take care of that. Yeah. Who puts a TV up for their car, so the car can watch TV? Yeah. Yeah, we lost our mind up in here, but it's all good. We put car videos on so the car can actually watch videos. You like that, Charlene? That's Charlene right there, y'all. Don't nobody mess with Charlene. Charlene gonna watch some bears for the moment. In any case, this is a YouTube test. This probably ain't going on nobody's YouTube channel. I just wanted to see how the little small computer work. Not computer, but little small camera. I like this one. I like this one better than the Hero. I like this one here better than the Hero 6. It's a little wider, but this one you can just grab it and yeah, you can do whatever you want with it. I wonder if I could toss it up in there. Wow, it worked. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, let's test the YouTube or the GoPro. The GoPro camera on nighttime recording. I don't know what that's gonna look like, but this is my first time using it. But I like the fact that this thing is so small. And you can just and you can just hold it in your hand and record. Be able to hear this. I should be able to get this noise I hear when I back up, which I wasn't getting before they messed with mine. You hear that? I wasn't getting that noise before Maritz Chevrolet messed with the transmission. Which I really don't believe there was nothing wrong with. When I take it back, I'm taking it back for that too. All right, GoPro lights off. I would imagine this doesn't record that well in the dark, but we're gonna see anyway. like a young girl. What's up? Yep. Yeah, that garage is almost there. Gonna turn this into a little chill out place with the TV, maybe a couple chairs. I gotta get rid of some of that shit, but we're getting it started. Can't do too much though, because again, this is just a lease house, and I don't want to put too much into no lease house right now. The housing market is strictly for sellers. I know I sold my house for almost $300,000, so, and I know I didn't pay that much for it. So yeah. I will admit though, that Corvette is sweet. I gotta give it that.